Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School online education. I am glad to welcome all of you in a new session of mathematics. So, let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Thought for the day is: what hurts you today makes you stronger tomorrow. My dear students, as you all know that FA2 exams are going to come. So, since last some lectures we are doing revision for FA2 examination. We already have completed the full revision one time as per paper style. Again I am here with revision only, so that if you are having any doubts or any queries, or is there anything what you don't understand, the topics becomes clear to you. I want to inform you that in FA2 examination you have question number 5 as complete the table. So, for that you have to prepare table of 3 and 4. We already have completed both these tables in the form of complete the table, if you remember. Okay? So, everyone sit straight at your place, make your back straight and look at the board. Write the date and day in this corner. Standard 1, subject maths. Right now we are doing revision of FA2 examination. So everyone write this heading REVISION revision FA2. Very good. I want all the students handwritings very good. So focus on the board and write properly with good handwritings. Write the heading, fill in the blanks, FILL fill, IN in, THE BLANKS blanks. Fill in the blanks. Each and every one have to copy after me. Revision FA1. Fill in the blanks. Write down first FB. A square has a dash equal sides. A SQUARE square has dash equal sides. Look, this is the square. How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can say that a square has 4 equal sides. Everyone copy this blank in your book. Okay? Is everyone completed or should I wait more? A square has 4 equal sides. Spelling of square is SQUARE. Okay? Now write the new blank. A triangle has dash equal sides. You all have to copy with me, Are you writing or not? A T Triangle has dash equal sides. Look, this is the picture of triangle. Observe it carefully. Now tell me, how many sides it has? 1, 2 and 3. We can say that a triangle has 3 equal sides. Everyone, copy this in your book. A square has 4 equal sides when a triangle has 3 equal sides. First letter must be capital. Put the punctuation at the end of the sentence. Okay? A rectangle has a dash equal sides. RECTANGLE, a rectangle. A rectangle has a dash equal sides. Everyone, copy this in your book. Now see how many sides a rectangle has. How can we find out? This is the picture of a rectangle. Look, this is one side, 2, 3 and 4. What you observe here? These two sides are equal. When these two sides are equal, so we can say that the opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So our question is, a rectangle has 4 equal sides. Write number 4 in the blank. My dear little students, as we are making revision right now, so you must make copy with me so that you can memorize well. Is everyone completed this FB? Okay. Now write down the new one. A circle is made up of a dash curved line. CIRCLE. A circle is made up of a dash curved line. I am detect you. Everyone, please copy it carefully. Now look at the board, my dear. This is the picture of circle. Observe it carefully. Is there any joint in this? No. This is made up of this single one curved line. So we have to write 1 in this blank, as it is made up of this one single curved line. I am going to detect again so that you all can copy properly. A rectangle has 4 equal sides. Next one is, a circle is made up of one curved line. Is everyone copy these blanks? Not yet. Then I am waiting for you so that you all can complete it. Is everyone completed now? A rectangle has 4 equal sides. A circle is made up of one curved line. Okay? Write down the new blank. Look, here we have some numbers. Our first blank is, first of all, you all can copy after me. 65 is equal to dash tens and dash ones. Write down everyone in your book. 65 is equal to dash tens and dash ones. Now tell me, how can we solve this blank? If we want to fill these blanks in the form of tens and ones, how can we solve this? Look, my dear students, here we have the number 65, which is made up of two numbers. So whenever we started, we learned about place values. How can we find out the place values? Look, this side or column is called ones place when this is called tens place. So here we can say that it is made up of 6 tens and 5 ones. Everyone, fill these blanks with respective numbers as 6 tens and 5 ones. We can say that 65 is equal to 6 tens and 5 ones. Everybody, copy this in your book. If you are having any doubts, you have to watch these videos again and again, and if possible, you can message me, I'll reply you. Okay? Completed? Now, next number is 3 to 32 is equal to dash tens and dash ones. 32 is equal to dash tens and dash ones. So here we have to say that 3 tens and 2 ones. Everyone, fill this blank with respective numbers. 32 is equal to 3 tens and 2 ones. Okay? We have number 9797. Everyone, write down this in your book. 97 is equal to dash tens and dash ones. Now observe it carefully and think in your mind, my dear, that which number comes at tens place and which number at ones place. As we have number 9797. How can we fill these blanks? Let me tell you, 9 tens and 7 ones. 97 is equal to 9 tens and 7 ones. Next we have 86. 86 is equal to dash tens and dash ones. What should we do now? Yes, 86 is equal to 8 tens and 6 ones. Everyone, copy this blank in your book. 97 is equal to 9 tens and 7 ones. 86 is equal to 8 tens and 6 ones. Okay? Write down 5959 is equal to dash tens and dash ones. 59 is equal to dash tens and dash ones. So we have to write 5 tens and 9 ones, as number 5 stands at tens place and number 9 is at ones place. Everyone, fill these blanks with respective numbers as 5 tens and 9 ones. 59 is equal to 5 tens and 9 ones. Okay? Are you all comfortable? You all are writing with me? Very nice. So, have you completed till now? Shall we move forward? Write the new number 8888 is equal to dash tens and dash ones. Everyone copy this in your book. 88 is equal to dash tens and dash ones. Observe this carefully and tell me which number comes at tens place and which is at ones. As we have both number 8. So 8 tens and 8 ones. It is very easy and simple now. So you all understand this? You all have copied this? No? Oh, then copy it. 59 is equal to 5 tens and 9 ones. 88 is equal to 8 tens and 8 ones. So, now move towards next. Look, here we have tens and ones. How can we fill these blanks now? Think in your mind. What should we do now? Yes, here we have to prepare the numbers with the help of given clues. Write down 9 tens and 3 ones is equal to dash. First of all, you have to copy this. Now let me explain how can we solve this. We have to find out the numbers which formed with the help of these given clues. This is 9 and this is 3. Together becomes number 93. As 9 is at tens place when 3 is at ones place. 9 tens and 3 ones is equal to 93. So everyone has completed? Very good. 5 tens and 7 ones is equal to 5 tens and 7 ones is equal to dash. Now think in your mind, these numbers together, which number form? First there is 5 tens. So we have to write number 5 first, then 7. So together becomes number 5, 7, 57. 5 tens and 7 ones is equal to 57. Everyone copy these 2 blanks in your book. After that we move towards FB number 3, which will be the last FB. 9 tens and 3 ones is equal to 93. 5 tens and 7 ones is equal to 57. Everyone copy this in your book. Done? Now 7 tens and 1 ones. We have 7 tens and 1 ones. Everyone copy this in your book. 7 TENS tens and 1 ONES ones. 7 tens and 1 ones is equal to dash. Now think in your mind, which number it forms? It forms a number 7171. So my dear students, each and everyone has to copy these blanks in their book. Is everyone completed? Everyone copied this work properly in your book? So now tell me if you are having any doubts regarding this. Here we have completed the revision of fill in the blanks. Everyone write the heading, write the name of a given shape. WRITE, write, THE, the, NAME, name, OF, of, GIVEN, given, SHAPE, shape. So here exactly what you have to do. You will get any of the shape. For that shape you have to write the name of that particular shape. So my dear students, let me tell you again that during this chapter we learn about square, rectangle, triangle and circle. So you have to prepare the names of that shapes only. Here we are going to make a revision for the same. Be ready for that. Everyone draw the square in your book first. Yes, with the help of scale only, as we want neat and clean work, my dear. Okay. Now you all can understand this is the square shape. And just I explain you that you will get this shape. For this you have to write this name. So the spelling of square we are going to write in the book. Everyone copy this spelling. SQUARE, square. Everyone 3 times speak loudly and then write. SQUARE, square. SQUARE, square. SQUARE, square. Done everyone? Very good. Now look. Draw the circle with the help of bangle or 1 rupee coin. Draw the circle perfectly, huh? Now, exactly what we have to do? We have to write a name of this sheep. So what is the spelling? Wants to write? Let's do it. But you have to write it once and speak it 3 times, okay? CIRCLE, circle. Is everyone completed? Now repeat it 2 times. CIRCLE, circle. CIRCLE, circle. Everyone has completed? Spelling remember? Very nice. Draw the triangle with the help of scale. Slanting line, and join it with a sleeping line. Makes a triangle. Okay. So now get ready to write the spelling. triangle, triangle. Copied? Now you have to speak 2 times after me. triangle, triangle. triangle, triangle. Okay. There leave one last, which is a rectangle. So now draw the rectangle with the help of scale. Look, this is rectangle. Okay. What is the spelling? rectangle. A rectangle. Speak just like me, okay? rectangle. Rectangle. One more time. rectangle. Okay, is everyone understand? Here we have completed the revision of write the name of given shapes. Now it's time to revise, complete the table again. Everyone write down the heading. COMPLETE, complete. THE, TABLE, table. Complete the table. And today we are going to make revision of table number 3. So first of all, everyone copy this table. 3 ones is equal to dash. Write down with me, everybody. 3 ones is equal to dash. 3 twos is equal to dash. 3 fours is equal to dash. Sorry, 3 threes pardon me. Then 3 fours is equal to dash. 3 fives is equal to dash. So now we have to complete this table. Now tell me, what comes 3 ones? There will be 3. Everyone copy this answer in your book. What will be 3 twos? It is 6. You all are writing with me, na? I know you all are writing, huh? So 3 threes 9. 3 fours 12. 3 fives 15. So you have to make practice like this for complete the table. You have completed till now. 3 ones to 3 fives very good. Everyone write down 3 6 is equal to dash. Copy this in your book. Then 3 sevens is equal to dash. 3 sevens is equal to dash. 3 eights is equal to dash. 3 nines is equal to dash. 3 tens is equal to dash. So you all have completed. Now let's fill the blanks. What comes 3 6 it will be 18. 3 sevens 21. 3 eights 24. 3 nines 27. 3 times are 30. Is everyone completed this? Very nice. So here we have completed the revision of complete the table also. Again I want to repeat that for this exam we have to prepare table of 3 and 4 in the form of complete the table. Okay, and yes, the same thing you are having as your homework. Note down the homework. Complete the table of 3 and 4 one time in your homework book. Everyone at your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.